Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited images, not videos, using ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT is an amazing, powerful AI image generator tool. But if somebody using mobile, so you may know that ChatGPT has a limitation. For example, you can generate 4 images in 24 hours. That means that you can generate up to 4 images per day. But now, in today's video, I'm going to show you that how to generate unlimited images using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has ended the limitation of limitation of generation for images. So open your browser and then write ChatGPT. So you can use their ChatGPT on browser, but I would recommend its app, because the apps is more smoother and easy interface. Like you can see ChatGPT OpenAI. And I am showing you demo example that how to generate unlimited images, and I have tested this tool personally and I've generated unlimited images. So I am going to show you that the images I have generated. So you can use the theme method to generate unlimited videos, unlimited images, not videos. Sorry for that. Okay, so now you can see start now. So just click on that button and you can download the app. So I'd recommend the app because it is more smoother and easier as compared to their browser version. And I don't think that it would also have a limitation or not using browser, but I have used their app. And in the app, you can generate unlimited images. So as you know, I have downloaded the app and I head over to the ChatGPT app. Okay, so now you can see here. Okay, here is a chat box that I asked ChatGPT to generate some images funny channel, because I have a funny channel. So if you want to laugh, so I have put the link in the description. You can find my second channel, Funny Leaders channel, where I upload funny videos about world leaders. Okay, so now you can see here, and now head over to the library of ChatGPT just to show you that I have generated unlimited images, and that is only in one day, not multiple days, but just in one day I have generated unlimited images. Okay, so I had a long video, and for long video, a funny long video, I have generated many images. I'm going to show you. Okay, so here, come to library. In the library, you can see how many images like, okay. So from that, you can see all these images like the first, second, third, fourth, and up to this image, like you can see. Okay, so this is thumbnail. I generated thumbnail for the video using ChatGPT. So you can also use ChatGPT to generate unlimited images, and I have used on mobile. So yes, if you are using mobile, so then don't think that you would have access to unlimited generation, because if you use ChatGPT app on mobile, on Android mobile, so you may face the limitation problem. But in PC, if you are using PC, so then you are lucky person, because I have personally tested this app and I have generated all these images. Just use ChatGPT, and only in one day, not multiple days. Okay, so now I'm going to remind you that how many images I have generated using this ChatGPT app. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay, so these images I have generated. So now you can see that the limitation is beyond that the generation number of images is beyond the limitation. So hope that you may understand what I'm saying to you, that using ChatGPT on PC you can generate unlimited images. If you found this video helpful, get it a like and subscribe to the channel, as I'm exposing AI tool that nobody can talk about.